If you are running a WooCommerce or Shopify store and don't have a mobile app, you're probably losing the repeat customers every single day. Now, here is the reality. Most of your customers visit once, twice and never came back. Why? Because email get ignored, ads get expensive, and your store is just another browser tab they forgot. Meanwhile, brands with mobile apps are doing something different. They send push notifications, bring back user instantly, and increase sales without spending more on ads. So the question is, why don't you have one yet? That's exactly why we built Brewmyapp. It converts your WooCommerce or Shopify store into a fully functional mobile app without coding and without rebuilding everything. Let me demonstrate you. In this video, I'll guide you how to go from a WooCommerce store into a mobile app using Brewmyapp. So first, let's get started. So we'll click on Start Building. Then we'll create an account. So give a name, give email address, add a password. Now click on Create Account. Now let's get started by adding our first store. So here we have to add the store details. So let's get started by putting the store URL. I'll copy the URL, paste it inside the store URL, and now let me give a store name and click on continue. After that, we have to authorize the connection between Brewmyapp and your store. So let's click on connect store, click on approve. Now the store gets connected. Now since the store is connected, the next step is to install the plugin into your store. So I'll quickly download the zip file, click on install now, upload plugin, select the file, click on open. Now click on install now, activate plugin. Perfect. Now let's go back and click on skip for now. Now our plugin is connected and activated. Here you can see the store data is in sync with the store. You can see the product, you can see the customers, you can click on it and even view all your products detail. The categories you can see customers, orders, reports. So this functionality is important to test as we provide an email login inside the application. So we recommend you to click on send test email and check if you are receiving the OTP or not. If you are not receiving the OTP, you can go into the website, go into the plugins, click on add plugin. We recommend you to install any SMTP. So you can install any of this, but for now I'll just click on WP SMTP, click on activate, and here inside the SMTP you can configure any SMTP service. There are several mailers options you have, like Brevo is the most popular recommended, SMTP is recommended, Sendler is recommended, and their pricing is also nominal. They provide 300 emails free per day, and based on, so it's easy to configure. You can watch their documentation, or if you need any support from our side, you can contact us on support@brewmyapp.io. Now, since our store is connected, let's go into the preview mode and I'll guide you how you can preview your application before building it. Now to preview your application, we are going to use Expo Go, which is available in Play Store and App Store. So you have to download it from Play Store or App Store depending on your device. So currently I am having an iOS device, so I'll already have the Expo Go installed. Let me show you. You can see here is my device application, which is Expo Go. I've already installed it from the App Store. So I just open it, and now the next step is I have to scan the QR code. So let me do it. So now it will start my application preview. So since we have logged in first time, I have to create the account before login. So let's give a name. Let me add a dummy phone number. Click on create account. Now you will receive the 6-digit email. Now let's click on verify and continue. And after login, you can see all the product. Now let's go into the designer tab and start designing. Here you can see different themes. We have made it for you. You can use any one, like the ocean blue, sunset warm, and to live preview it, you just need to click on autosave and it will start saving and automatically refresh on the app. Since we have selected the ocean blue, it will take few seconds to update it here.